Hi, my name is Anna. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm going to show you today how you can spruce up the gift of socks by turning them into some cute, adorable cupcakes and show you a couple different options of how you can package them for the gifts.
You'll need the following supplies. Head on over to funsockcity.com for all your sock needs, including the ones you'll need for this project.
To get started, you'll want to print your templates for the cupcakes. And if you don't have cardstock, you can actually just print these off. And if you have scrapbook paper, you can cut one of these out and just trace it onto here and then use this as your cupcake cover. I wanted something a little bit more neutral, so I went with my more neutral colored cardstock right here. So cut those out first thing. Oh, and some of these, like if your printer's like mine, it might cut off some of these corners. That's okay. You're just going to follow that straight line all the way there, just like that. And then just pretend like this line continues and just follow that line. Do that wherever some of those corners were cut off. And now I'll just walk you through the steps of how to do the cupcake. Take each of your socks apart and have your rubber bands ready. You'll just need one rubber band per cupcake. And on the first sock, you're going to fold it in half on the foot portion of the sock. Starting at the toe, you'll just twist it in, creating a rosette look. And you can twist the sock sometimes if you want to kind of change it up a little bit. Okay, then when you get to the top, you'll just fold that part in half and continue to wrap around. When you've gone all the way around, just do a little rubber band right around that center and leave that like that. Then take this other sock and we're going to split the sock visually into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to just be doing some folds. So take that top layer and fold it down into there. Then fold it out. Then do one more and fold all of that in towards the toe. And this creates these two folded looks right here. And you want the toe of the sock to be sticking out. Then take this cupcake, put it inside this other folded tube you've created. And then all the remaining toe of the sock you can push up right inside there to fill in any space. And then that should keep it standing up straight. Then take one of your cupcake sleeves and we're going to just wrap it around that and tape it into place. And then you've got your first cupcake. You can do as many as you'd like, but I've got 4 different cupcake templates that you can use to make 4 unique cupcakes. If you would like, you could add some buttons for a little flair. I just use double-sided sticky tape, put it on the button, so that way it really sticks to that. And then press it onto the sock, and it actually comes right off the sock with just a little pull, so it won't damage the sock at all. But it adds a cute little touch, makes it a little bit more cupcake-like. When you go to gift the sock cupcakes, you can put them in little sock cupcake boxes that they make. Not sock cupcake boxes, cupcake boxes. You can buy those at the store. You can buy just single cupcake boxes, or I've seen 4 and even more. And you can see a video where I did that up above, or you could wrap it in gift wrapping tissue by just placing it in the center of it, keeping it upright, gathering up the sides around it, and then tie a bow around it just above the cupcake. And then that's the perfect way to gift that, and really inexpensive as well. Go ahead and check out this video here that YouTube thinks you'll like, and here's a video that I think you'll like since you watched this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!